Hey folks, thanks for clicking on the video and checking out another Karlyle project. Today is part 2 of changing the Honda Accord sedan to a Honda Accord Sports sedan, I'll call it. Thanks to my friends at American Modified, we're going to install some side skirts on it today to go with that rear valance that we put on in part 1. So without further ado, let's get started. So I've taken the liberty to take them out of the box. And as you can see, they're packed in styrofoam and they were saran wrapped around those and in a very good corrugated box. So they were well protected, and it comes with the 2 side skirts and 2 rolls of double-sided tape, and then the screws to add a little extra security in the assembly process. So the first thing that we're going to do is remove the front mud flap. And then we're gonna go and clean everything to make sure that when the double-sided tape is adhering to the car itself, that it has the most sticking power. Other than that, that's gonna be the only disassembling that I'm gonna have to do. I should be able just to take that mud flap off, and then I'm gonna put a trial fit to see how it all goes together with fit and finish, and then adhere the double-sided tape to the actual skirt itself. So that was just held on with 3 screws, and I used a right angle attachment to my screwdriver, and I'm not using impact because I don't want it to go on too strong. So we cleaned the bottom sill plate there to what it's going to stick to, and we're just cleaning up the underside. Then we'll do a trial fit. Got it in, push it in the top. There we go. So as you can see, I mean, it is perfectly fitting to a T. I was very impressed that they got it that close. So what we'll do next is put the double-sided tape on the outer perimeter of it that's going to stick to it. And then it came with some screws that we'll screw in through the bottom into those mounting brackets. Take it out. So there's mounting brackets that are plastic welded to this as well, and then got a piece of tape over it to add a little extra security and I guess cushion to it, and make sure it's aligned perfectly, because once this tape touches, it sticks. So we're going to put that top corner in. You go ahead and put your top corner in. I'll put my top corner in, and then we'll slide mine in, leave yours out. Okay. And we'll take our heat gun. So now what we got to do is put the mud flap back on. So that's awesome. That's going to go on there really good and add another little extra holding power for it. One thing I'm going to have to do is these 2 are going to have to take 2 new holes, and the back one will go into a new hole as well. I want to push it all the way up and in. So now we're going to put the mud flap back on. Like I said, I'm going to have to drill new holes for these 2. We can put the screw back in. And those are in. Now underneath there's 3 of the drain holes, and those metal brackets that you saw before, we're going to take and add one of the screws and a washer in each one of those locations. All right, the first thing we want to do is take off this mud flap here, because like on the other side, it's going to go on top of the skirt once we install it. Make sure before you cut the car off, turn your wheel all the way so that you can have complete access to this. Then I'm going to need to clean where that was. All right, now that I've got that flap off and cleaned it up with the cleaner, I'm going to use alcohol swabs, and the kit comes with a couple, to clean all this off to make sure that the double-sided tape will stick really well. So we know that the tape's going to stick right there and all the way down the rocker panel there. So we'll put the top in. You got your top in? Mm-hmm. And remember that it goes in that groove there underneath the door. I'll get mine. You just hold yours. Hold yours out. Okay, so I've put the front mud flap back on again, and that's going to help hold this on as well, because there's 3 screws that go into here and then screw into the panel, and then also into here, and then there's a screw going up from the bottom here in one of the metal brackets, and the one in the middle, and the one in the back, and then there's 3 more screws in the back of it that screw into the side panel as well. That and this double-sided tape along the whole trim, it should stay on there real nice.